The college athlete recruitment process is broken. It's been destroyed. It's been decimated by services and agencies that monetize your fear by holding your emotions hostage. Companies like NCSA, like Be Recruited, they've done a phenomenal job to target parents and create the narrative in the youth sports landscape. And it says this: without them, you will not be successful. However, I look at the numbers, and the numbers say that 85% of college coaches do not utilize agencies and services to find their future athletes. Over and over again, student athletes and their parents ask the same questions. Where do I start? What is the first action step I should be taking? Parents and student athletes have the same fears, the same anxieties, the same needs, and the same wants. They want to know, should they be targeting Division 1, 2, or 3 schools? They want to know how to navigate this process without spending a heap of cash. My name's Elliot Mark, and until now, you only had 2 real options. Option 1, a super expensive agency or service. Or option 2, an ebook that literally puts you to sleep. But now you have a third option: RecruitFluency. RecruitFluency is the college athlete recruitment system, and it consists of 3 incredible resources: a master course, which is made up of 25 professionally made 3 to 5 minute cinematic videos that break down the entire recruitment process. Next is a software, which helps you narrow down your target schools and put you in full control of the recruitment process. And then third, the email templates. It gives you a reference, an approach, an understanding on how to communicate and speak with college coaches. The RecruitFluency system is a one-on-one private recruiting consultant in your back pocket. Module 1, selecting a group of target schools. Module 2, communicating with college coaches. Module 3, coaches' evaluations of the student athlete. Module 4, evaluating schools thoroughly. And lastly, Module 5, applying and financial aid.